Hi, I'm Keithan Vegunta, and for the 2021 Youngwongs Hackathon, for the theme of banking and finance, I have developed a city community portal for community members to contribute their services toward local community events. By participating in these events, community members will be issued rewards, which can be redeemed for city services and related events. I will be demoing the service. The URL is this. On the front page, it shows an image and some basic steps about what you can do. Volunteer for community services, get rewards, and then exchange your rewards for city services and much more. It also provides a link to view upcoming city services. It shows a few events, the time, the date, and the location. Excuse me. Before registering for an event, you have to sign up or log in. I will sign up. Now that I've successfully signed in, I can go to events and I can register. So I'll register for the lake cleanup.